Hi everyone, and welcome to Cooking with Cricket, except today I'm not cooking. I'm bringing you along to show you this. When my daughter and her friends came over around Christmas time to cook all those cookies for the Hope for Christmas thing, they saw all of my miniature stuff that I collect and that I have. And one of the girls showed me these that are out. It's the 5 Surprise, the mini brands. And so I was watching videos, but they could not be found. Anywhere you went, when you asked the worker there, they knew exactly what you was talking about. There was a hot item, you couldn't find them. So yesterday, while at Target, I went back to the toys again, and we asked, and the lady was very nice. She knew exactly what we was talking about. She took us to where they were supposed to be on the shelf, and they had the display, but none in stock. Well, she came back 5 minutes later and found us and said that she believes a truck had came in and there might be some on there, to give her about 15-20 minutes and she'll come back. Well, we waited and she came back and said that they was still unloading, to give me her name, my name and number, and she would call me. This morning she called me and she had me some up at the customer service desk, so now we're going to open them. And I'm so excited. Y'all know how I love miniature things. So, if I can get these opened. Alright, so let's open this up. Now, there's 5 compartments in each. I've seen a lot of the opening ones on here. So, let's see what we got in our first one. Okay, I've got the Knorr chicken flavor. Lay that right there. Oh. It's the Bosco strawberry syrup. Oh. The spray candy.
Nuclear warheads.
And excuse that, that's candle dye that won't come off. You see, they look so real. And this is the Mentos. And the Barbasol shaving cream. Now, all the ones that I saw on the openings, they would either get, let me show you. Either a buggy, a shopping cart, or some shelves. And so far we haven't seen any of those. And I'm even saving these right here because I can make little shelves and stuff out of these. And I'm going to tell you, every time that we would be in a store asking for these, there were at least 5 other people there asking for them too. I mean, you just couldn't find them no more. So, I'm surprised they got, oops, one of them opened. I got a different color of the warhead sour things. Got some Dove soap. Oh, some of the Magnum ice cream. Oh, wet ones. And some Hellmann's mayonnaise. These are just so cute. Now I want either a buggy or a shopping cart or something. Because every video that I saw where people were opening these, you had one or the other. They had one or the other, so. Oh, a pack of the Mentos. Okay, I got a repeat. Another Hellmann's.
That's not a repeat. That's the other flavor you needed.
Oh, nope, that's the other flavor. Yep, Alex is correct. This one's the light mayonnaise. And this one's the real mayonnaise. So that is not a repeat.
So now you got the Hellman's mayo complete.
And this is a different Dove soap. Oh, Denny Moore beef stew.
That's a rare one.
Now I want a buggy or something. Everyone that opened these eggs, I don't care how many they had, a buggy or a shelf or something. And some Axe deodorant. Oh, look, Alex. I can't believe it's not butter.
That's a good one.
A different Barbasol
I
shaving
have that
cream.
one.
Oh, look,
Oh,
a
that's
bag of Dum-Dums.
that's one I wanted. I wanted that one.
Skintiments, shaving gel. And a Dove. The baby Dove.
That would lead into a lot of duplicates.
Okay, I have another baby Dove. Oh, look, a bag of Smarties. The Edge 2-in-1. Move, Abigail. Tetley tea. Oh, I got a gold one. I got a rare one.
Ooh.
Cold Stone Creamery.
Ooh.
And that is a rare one right here. Wet ones. Now I got a wet ones, but this is different. Now, dude, this is a repeat of the Skintiments. Skintiment, whatever. I got another Axe. Okay, another Barbasol Original. Starting to get repeats, which is fine with me. And another Magnum. So now that they're starting to get these in stock, wait, these are different. Yeah, this is double peanut butter and this is double raspberry. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed me opening these up. I'm so excited that they had some in stock. And that the woman, this lady, she went above and beyond. And I'm about to call and just give her a good word and everything. So, anyway, thanks for watching. I'm so excited to finally be getting some of these to open. This was a lot of fun, and I will be getting some more. Do you collect anything, any miniatures or anything? Let me know. And until my next video, I hope you enjoy. Bye, y'all.